Good morning friends. Today I am discussing about the simulation of a stock prices, and this is the historical prices given for a stock, and we have to predict the future prices of this stock for next 100 days or 200 days. How to predict the future price. This is using random number generation. Okay, and this is a simulation, and this is using random number generation. First, for this one we need to find the return for a stock, everyday stock. This is the returns. Okay, using ln function, because stock prices are log normally distributed, closing prices by previous day closing prices. This is the return for that day, and we have to drag till the end of the today, till end, and we have to find the future prices. For that we have to calculate the mean and standard deviation. Now how to calculate mean is average function. Using average function we have to calculate mean is average of all returns. Okay, and standard deviation using function stdev, and standard deviation of all returns. Yeah, this is the standard deviation, and this is mean. This we have to use percentage in terms of percentage. Yeah, till here we calculate the mean and standard deviation of the stock prices. This is the mean and standard deviation of stock prices. By using this we have to calculate the future prices using random number generation. Okay, so for this 29 January equal to closing prices multiplied by 1 plus, this is the formula, closing prices multiplied by 1 plus, using normal invariance function norm inv. Probability will be random because this is random number generation, so we have to use probability will be rand open bracket and close bracket, and mean will be this one, and we need to freeze because this is not relative reference. Okay, and we have to, this is standard deviation, and this also we need to freeze this one, close bracket and close. This is 93.73, and drag it till this one. Okay, after doing it, okay, we found the simulation of stock prices. If you want to find the graph for this one also, you can do it. Okay, these prices will continuously change because we use random number generation. We have to take if random using random number generation, if stock price is showing more number of times going up, then it is a buying stock. If stock price is more number of times stock price is showing down, it is a selling stock. Okay, insert for this one we are calculating the graph for this one in scatter chart. This is the chart for this stock prices till here, the historical prices. From here the future prices will start. Okay, see this one, it is from here it is changing because till here these are historical prices are constant, but here from here with using random number generation the prices will continuously change. Okay, if you see this stock many times it is going down only, so we can clearly say that it is not a only in this case it's went up, in all other cases it is going down only. So by this using this analysis we can say that this is a selling stock. Like this we have to do simulation. Thank you friends, my name is Prakash.